That's how you do it. Elite BBQ Smoker style right there.
Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy. I'm pitmaster with Elite BBQ Smokers. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue shotgun shells. So this method right here, I want to show you how you can get good and tender pasta and have some epic barbecue shotgun shells. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. All I'm going to do right now is boil my pasta for about 5 minutes here. I just want to get just a little bit soft. All right, we were right at 5 minutes here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this right number and take my pasta and put it on this cooling right here and kind of let them just cool down a little bit. As you've seen, we just put our sausage in here with our cheese and our banana peppers, and I got a glove on. I'm gonna start taking this and just start mixing it well. We're gonna start adding our rub to it. I'm gonna go back here with my SPG here. What I'm gonna do is just take my hand, get some of this little sausage, just start pushing it in, start stuffing the inside of them right here. Now that I've got it here all stuffed in completely from one side to the other, I'm gonna start wrapping my bacon. So I'm gonna take it right here and lay the first one there and cover the edge. And I'm gonna come in here and just kind of roll it back in there. Roll it. What I wanna try to do is make sure all this pasta is covered by the bacon. Next, I'm gonna come right here, I'm gonna take some of this Roof spicy meat rub right here. I'm gonna come on top of it, just a little bit on top of it. A little bit there. I'm gonna roll it over, do the other side. Don't wanna go too heavy with it. Give a good little kick to it. All right, so now as you see right here, we got them all wrapped up. Got everything seasoned on there. We're ready to put these bad boys in the grill. We're gonna cook these on Rectech 1250 at 275 degrees. I wanna cook them so, like I said, the bacon is nice and crispy. So it's been about 1 hour and 15 minutes here. We just checked our barbecue shotgun shells, and they are looking like they want to come off here. Let's just check them and show what we got. We'll pull them off with some sauce on. So let me show what we got. So as you can see right here, you can see where the bacon kind of shrunk back up on the pasta. While ago when I probed it, I'm still getting my pasta where it feels like it's soft. And that's what the whole purpose of this was. We done it today with this test to see if we can get a good soft pasta, which we normally want for a pasta. So our sauce here today is some Swamp Boys Original. It's a really good sauce, got good flavor to it. It's a really thin sauce, as you can see right here. So it can kind of run over this a little thinner. It's not really a really heavy molasses flavor. And so it's kind of what we're looking for. Just taking my little brush right here, I'm gonna brush it on some. They get them all good. This Dolly is sitting over yonder staring at me like she knows something's coming. It's gonna be delicious. And I am so looking forward to this. So now right here we got the sauce on them. I'm gonna put it back on the smoker here. I want this just long enough to set this sauce in there. Kind of get a little soft, a little tacky. You wanna pull them off, let them rest. We're gonna taste these bad boys up. Let's put it back on the grill. So it's been about 5 minutes. Let's check on our barbecue shotgun shells. You see how I put my finger on there and it's sticky? That's when I know they're ready. We can pull these bad boys right here off. That's how you do it, Elite BBQ Smoker style right there. Oh, that looks so good. Well, we'll let this rest a few minutes and we'll taste these bad boys here up, see what it tastes like. Come right down the middle of it. It cuts good. Taste this bad boy up. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh man. Oh man. That there is absolutely amazing. The flavors in there is just coming out. We got the heat from the spicy meat. We got that little garlic and pepper there and salt from when we put in there to the boiled pasta in there. And then we got the bacon in there. And then on top of that, that Swamp Boy sauce just adds a whole nother level to it. This right here is absolutely delicious. I mean, seriously, try this recipe out. Use this recipe. I promise you won't be upset about it. You'll be happy with it. You'll come back and you'll tell me this is the way to cook this recipe. These barbecue shotgun shells got a lot of flavor to it. They're absolutely delicious. With that being said, from carrots inside, we're gonna feed the crowd. But before we do that, we're gonna say the blessing. But first, we gotta let Dolly try it. And she's sitting right here staring at me. Come on, girl. Come on, got you a good one right here. Come here, come on. Sit. Get it. She chased that one. You want another one? Come on. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I reckon you will too. Let's say the blessing. Let's go inside and eat. Lord, bless food, about receipt. Just and pray. Amen. Dolly, gonna get me another one right here. Good Lord, that's good. Go on, fly. Seriously, try this recipe. You won't be sorry. I promise you that. See you next time. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows it's a good video and they can share it with everybody else. If you like our channel, subscribe to us. We got more content posting every week.